Hey legends, I thought I'd show you in this video how I built this 12 volt system behind the seats in my Jimny. As you know, I have a chopped Jimny, so I had this firewall behind my seats. I knew I could do something cool there. I thought, why not a 12 volt system that I can access at any time, whether I have the canopy on the back or not. First things first, I had to order all my gear from Hardcore. I went with a 105 lithium battery. I've got a 2000 watt inverter, display panels, chargers, you name it. I got the whole works. This was a really exciting day when this delivery arrived. Now, the initial part of the build, that was pretty simple. I just had to measure the space in the back by my gear. I got some ply, some glue, some spray adhesive for the carpet, and I found this box. As soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted that glass panel from the top. You'll see where that comes in a bit later on, but it'll sit about there. Just had to lay out all of the gear and make sure I knew it was going to fit. That was tricky. There wasn't a whole lot of room in behind my seats, but at this stage, I was pretty happy with that layout. Next thing, I had to do the cutouts for the display panels. Perfect fit. And on the other side, I glued in this little top piece, which was just filling the gap on my firewall. I just had to sit that overnight to dry. Next thing was carpets, bit of spray adhesive, laid the carpet out and trimmed that in. That was really basic. And then just fitting the panels over the top. I was definitely pretty happy at this stage with where I have everything. As far as I could tell, it was all going to work. Next thing though, how was I going to run all the wires? I wanted to keep them pretty tidy and hidden, but at the same time, I wanted everyone to be able to see how everything worked. Screwed down all the components. That's how it looks there. And this is a bit of a look at how I hid the wires. Obviously just drilled some holes through. Looks a bit untidy at this stage. Now, I'm not going to lie, I was pretty unsure at this stage, so I took it to my auto electrician neighbour to finish off the wiring. Here it is. It came back. We lifted into the car. You can see we've changed quite a few things around now, things in different places. We had to do that to make it work. Went through testing it all. Everything works straight away. That is my little rig display I put in the middle. You can see the Velcro patch there. I was pretty happy with that. Obviously, I had to go out camping straight away, so I got it all on. Plugged my lead in there. I'm doing a bit of induction cooking, which you can see now. The induction cooker works super fast. I cooked those chops in about 3 minutes flat. Next morning for breakfast, why not cook some steak again? A bit of garlic steak. Look at that. Again, took about 3 or 4 minutes to cook. I was amazed at how fast this induction cooker worked. And this is it, guys. Little walkthrough of the whole panel. You can see starting from behind the passenger seat across there with the inverter, the displays. I've got my little plug-in box there, the little rig display, big battery along the bottom, charging systems all in. I've hardwired in the house socket as well, so I don't have to go looking for bits and pieces. I can just plug it straight into the wall at home. There it is, guys. Any questions, hit me up, but I'm super happy with how that worked out all in behind my seats.